don't want like just take up 15 piece of chicken and like give you, and tomorrow is like a change up. It's like you see a next man we can give you 30,000. So
no, give me 100. That's it. It's supposed to give me 100. Give me 100 then.
100?
Yeah.
So that is a package? When me give her the 100, me get everything?
No, then I get nothing.
So you jump from 15 Ghana 100, me think like
say, me see a next man I can give me more. I go run to him, so if he give me a nice piece, me not go run to the next man.
Yeah, hear me? Young girl, me can't tell you this straight, cause you feel know nerd when you see nerd, you know. And me are bad people in a real life, you know.
No,
so you when me I go make you know.
Bad man them.
You when me I go tell you. You see if I no combo style, like the 100,000 where you tell me about, I mean I tell you about like for just put it in your mouth. More like you spend hours, like you in a boot and a voice a song. More like your head just a go up and down like a hydraulics. Yeah, cause 100,000 that's a lot. You can't want me just put it in and take it out back and that's it. No,
yeah.
You have to give me combo. Yeah. No, your plate cloth.
3 minutes.
3 minutes where? Listen me out. Come like you don't know who you combo. 3 minutes where?
3 minutes.
3 minutes are when me just start blood clot ready. 3 minutes are when me just ready. Me just find the formula there, the world vibes there. For say me I like yeah. So all you want like give me 3 minutes. Come like you're sick or something. Listen me out, young girl. Have a wonderful day. You see anything where you da do and before I come here, continue do it. Pretend like me never come here. Come now.
So when I try to say nobody want me?
Why you for do what? For turn me na papa? 100,000 for 3 minutes? You know me that ask for your digit, but listen me out, you can't keep it. I don't want know nothing about you. Yeah? You throw me off? Chat, don't you throw we off?